Hello family, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to be sharing with you another delicious dinner recipe, some smothered cabbage and some vegetable brown rice. So let's get to today's video. So guys, I'm just going to start the video by preparing our rice. I'm going to add some oil to my pot, and then I'm going to add my 2 medium-sized chopped onions, and then I'm also going to add 1 tablespoon of ginger and garlic paste as shown in the video, and then I'm going to let them fry for a little while, and then I'm going to add my 2 medium-sized chopped carrots as shown in the video, and then I'll leave my carrots to fry for a little while, and then I'm going to add a bowl of my green peas as shown in the video, and then I'm going to mix well again and let my peas fry for a little while. So I'll leave it to watch me for a little while and I'll be right back. So guys, after a while our peas and carrots have fried for a little while, I'm now going to add my 4 medium-sized chopped potatoes, and then I'm going to mix well as shown in the video, and then all I'm going to do is to add my 4 cups of water at room temperature. So guys, you have to as you know, you have to double the amount of water. So for today we are cooking 2 cups of rice, so that will make our water 4 cups. I'm then going to mix my vegetables well as shown in the video. As shown in the video, and then I'm going to add some salt, and then all you're going to do is to taste to know if you need to adjust any salt. And then after that I'm going to cover my pot and put my pot to a boil, and then after that, after a while, my water is already boiled. I'm just going to add our 4 cups of rice as shown in the video, and then I'm going to mix my pot of vegetable rice as shown in the video, and then all I'm going to do is to cover and cook my vegetable rice at medium heat, until all the water is drained. So guys, all I'm doing right now is checking on our rice. When it reaches this stage, you have to check on it and mix it. I'm sorry about that. So guys, again you're going to cover it and let all the water drain. So guys, as you can see right now, that is it, our vegetable rice is ready. So guys, for when you're making brown rice, your rice will come out a little chewy. So that is it guys, that means it's done. You don't have to add water or your rice will be something else. So as you can see, our rice is ready. I'm going to set it aside. Moving on, I'm going to preheat some oil in my knife, and then I'm going to add my steak. So guys, I already did a stir-fry recipe, so I'm not going to dwell on it so much. That's the size of the steak that I used. I just chopped my steak that size. I already did a stir-fry recipe as I've said before. So guys, you can go and check my stir-fry recipes on my channel. So I'm just going to continue frying my steak until it turns golden. As you know, you have to fry your steak until it's a little golden. I think that's the right word for it. So as you can see right now, our steak is at that stage. I'm just going to mix well as shown in the video. So guys, I'll leave you to watch me for a little while and I'll be right back. So guys, I'm back, and as you know, you have to remove the excess oil after your steak is ready. So I'm just going to remove the excess oil, and then all I'm going to do is to add my 1 medium size chopped red onion as shown in the video, and then all I'm going to do is to mix again as shown in the video and let my onions fry for a little while. So guys, for this recipe I don't use ginger or garlic, I'm sorry, but you can add ginger or garlic to your steak, but I didn't need to add it, I didn't want to add it. So moving on, I'm going to add my red and green peppers as shown in the video. I already chopped them. I'm going to add them as shown in the video and mix and let them fry for a little while. So I'll leave you to watch me for a little while and I'll be right back. So guys, I'm back and this is our cabbage. That's the size I used. I chopped that size. So guys, for this recipe you have to chop your cabbage a little larger. I don't know if you can understand what I mean, but as you can see, that's our cabbage. So you can use the size you want. It doesn't have to be this large. You can use the size you want, but for me this size worked really well for me, so that's what I'm going to do. And then all I'm going to do is to mix my steak together with my cabbage as shown in the video. So I'll leave you to watch me and I'll be right back. So guys, I'm back and right now all I'm going to do is to spice our smothered cabbage a little. I'm going to add some of my ginger powder and I'm also going to add some of my black pepper, and I'm also going to add my favorite seasoning, that's Royco cube, and then all I'm going to do is to mix well as shown in the video. So you can replace the ground ginger with your crushed fresh ginger. You can also replace the seasoning with your favorite one. So right now all I'm going to do is to add my chopped coriander, and then I'm going to mix again as shown in the video. So I'll leave you to watch me for a little while and I'll be right back. So guys, I'm back and right now we are going to add 1 tablespoon of vinegar. You can replace vinegar with lemon juice, and then all I'm going to do is to mix as shown in the video. I'm also going to add my salt, and then I'm going to mix again as shown in the video. And guys, our smothered cabbage is ready, so you can leave it. You can add a little water and leave it to cook. But for me, that was it. Let me know what you think about this video in the comment section below, and make sure you subscribe to my channel for more videos. See you in my next video. Bye.